and in drawing this we are going to draw this in a 3D. We are going to draw this in 3D, and now we just start. And before we begin, kindly like, share and subscribe to the channel that you may get more notifications of the uploads done. Thank you. As you can see here, this is 3D modeling. Already the page is in 3D modeling. So the next thing that we are going to do, we are going to set the units and the limits. That is the next thing we are going to set. Units, and in setting the units we are going to set precision to 0.0, and we are going to set the scale to be in millimeters, and we set the limits after that. From 0,0 to 297, to 10. And then you zoom all. After zoom all, you type UCS icon, and for no origin. After that, we get to the wireframe just above the unsaved view. We pick, we'll first select the view, and we have it in isometric southeast view. Isometric southeast, we are going to have it in shades of gray. So that is done. Escape for any command. Then we get back to the drawing. The drawing, I have a plan of 75 by 130. So we draw a line, have your auto mode on, that is 130, 75, 130, and 75. For that, press pull it to a distance of 15 plus 20, that is 35. Press pull it to a distance of 35. That. Press pull it to a distance of 35. After that, we are going to again press pull it to a distance of 75. A distance of 75 minus 35, 40. So we are going to again press pull this to a distance of 40. Well, so after that, now we have to need, we are remaining with one. And we are going now to do the copy to get. We are going to start with copying this edge to a distance of 15 and copying this edge to a distance of 7.5, and again this other side to get the diagonal. Thank you. Have this, copy edge, from the end to a distance of 15. So after that we are going to copy edge, this edge, we are going to copy that to a distance of 7.5. Now have it in the middle. Yes, 7.5. Well, and after that we again copy this to a distance yes, I copy this to a distance of 15 of 7.5. Well, yes, so with this we are going to have the slant. With this we are going to have the slant as indicated here. We are going to have the slant, and having the slant we are going to draw it directly from there. You can as well have your auto mode off now, but it's going to work still. Yes, to the intersection. Well, and after that we are going to press pull. Like that. Again, come to this one, press pull like that, and then we have this. So we have this, and in our drawing we are supposed to have this. So the slant is already in place. We are going to copy another at a distance of 20 from this slant, and from 20 from up is 75 minus 15, that is 60. Yes, copy that edge to from the end a distance of 60. And again copy the same edge to a distance of 60 minus 20, 40. Well, that is now done. We delete this. So we have that, and from the other end we are supposed to have is supposed to be 15 from the top, and again 15. Well, so we are going to copy this by 15 and again 15, and then from this other end we are going to copy a distance of 30 and 28 and 30. Well, so copy to a distance of 30. Copy to a distance of 30 plus 28, 58, 58. Again copy from this place to 58 plus 30 is 88. It's on the wrong plane. 58 plus 30 is 88. Well, now it is right. And again we copy this to a distance of 15, and again the same to a distance of 30, after that we are going to copy, we are going to calculate this distance. This is 28 and this is 50. 50 minus 28 is 22. 22 divided by 2 is 11. So 11. 30 minus 11. 30 minus 11 is 30 minus 11 is 19. So from this end we copy 19, then it is 19 plus 50. 19 plus 50 is 69. Well, So we are still going to copy more. Copy pieces of 19. Copy pieces of 69. Well, so we have that. So we have that. We have that. So the first thing we are going to do is to press pull this to a distance of 15. Press pull to a distance of 15. To the second thing we are going to do is to press pull this, express. So we have that. So we have this. Delete all the necessary. So we have that. Well, one more thing remaining. We are going to have the slant. We are going to have the slant. We are going to have the slant line. Slant line is from this point, from the end to this other end. So after that, we press pull through, and we have this. So try deleting all that are not necessary now at this moment. Delete all that are not necessary, all that were copied. All that were copied, delete, and only remain with the original lines. Yes. Now let's have this. Well. This is the block, and if you can see the drawing, we have the block that was drawn in the drawing. Yes, we have it. Thank you. Subscribe more, invite your friends as well. You can contact me for more information. Maybe you may need me to assist you in either your assignments or other drawings. You're welcome to interact with me. Thank you.